Hello friends, in this video a very important topic is discussed, that is trick to remember currency of different countries, just like dollar, rupees, euro, pound, ruble, yen and won. So if we talk about the currency rupee, so the trick is sim pn and the countries are sim, that means Sri Lanka, India, Maldives, and second word sim means Seychelles, Indonesia, Mauritius, Pakistan, and PN means Pakistan and Nepal. The currency peso uh, related trick is triple C Puma. First C Cuba, Chile, Colombia, Philippines, uh, Uruguay, M for Mexico, A for Argentina. So this is the trick to remember the currency peso. And the countries are Cuba, triple C, that means Cuba, Chile, and Colombia. Puma, that means Philippines, Uruguay, Mexico, and Argentina. Third trick is iron body, man and men, and the currency is real. So the country related this currency is iron, that is Iraq, body, that means Cambodia, man, that is Oman, and men, that is Yemen. So these are the countries which have the currency real. Third is dinar, and the trick is KS jail, that is Kapil Sharma in jail. So K for Kuwait, S for Saudi Arabia, B for Bahrain, T for Tunisia, J for Jordan, A for Algeria, I for Iraq, and L for Libya. Here S and B are B and T are extra thing, and the jail word related to J for Jordan, A for Algeria, I for Iraq, L for Libya. Fifth trick is the country which are related to the currency dollar, and the trick is you can sing NJE hat, that is New Zealand E hat. So U for USA, United States, CAN for Canada, SING for Singapore, and NJ New Zealand, E for Ecuador, H for Hong Kong, A for Australia, T for Taiwan, T for Trinidad Tobago. So these are the country which have the currency dollar, which is the hard currency and topmost value. Uh, and sixth currency is pound, and the trick is Su Lesh. S means Sudan, U for United Kingdom, or L for Lebanon, E for Egypt, S for Syria, and S for South Sudan. Seventh currency is Euro, and the trick is VCGF Spain. V for Vatican, C for Cyprus, G for Germany, F for France, S for Spain, P for Portugal, A for Australia. Okay, see, so these are the countries which are related to the currency euro, and the trick is VCGF Spain. Ruble, the currency of Russia and Belarus, and won, 10th number won. Won is the currency of North Korea and South Korea, and the currency which have the word Y in common, and the countries is China, Japan, and Interpol. The currency of China is yuan, and the currency of Japan is yen, and the currency of Interpol is leon. All these three currency, the word Y is common. Okay, so the trick is basically why we can remember, and CJI, Chief Justice of India, also China, Japan, and Interpol. The currency have yuan, yen, and leon respectively. Short trick to remember: National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. So the first trick is चंद्रप्रभा यूपी में दूध बेचती. So Dudhwa National Park Uttar Pradesh, Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh. So these first two words relate to remember National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary of Uttar Pradesh. Second state is Karnataka, and the trick is सोम ने तंग आकर अपनी वाइफ भद्रा के नागर बाहर बंद गृह में भेज दिया. So Som for Someshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, Tang for Tungabhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhadra means Bhadravati National Park, Nagarhole Wildlife Sanctuary and Bandipur National Park, all located in Karnataka. In Odisha, Simpipal Wildlife Sanctuary and Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary. Trick is simply Chilka लेक के किनारे बैठी है. Okay, so first two words relate Simpipal Wildlife Sanctuary and Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary. Assam Manas Wildlife Sanctuary and Garam Pani Wildlife Sanctuary. Third is Kaziranga National Park in Assam. So the trick is Manas Garam Pani की तलाश में काजी के पास गया. Manas for Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Garam Pani and Kaziranga National Park. Sixth is Uttarakhand, and the trick is राजा जी ने जिम जाकर गोविंद माली जैसी बॉडी बनाई और फ्लावर लेके प्रिंसेस नंदा देवी के पास गए. So राजा जी is राजा जी नेशनल पार्क, जिम कार्बेट गोविंद सागर नेशनल पार्क, माली पशु विहार, फ्लावर वैली ऑफ फ्लावर नेशनल पार्क, नंदा देवी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. So these are the highest peak of Himalayan range we had discussed in the next video. So we can see the topmost highest peak is Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Nanga Parvat, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Kamet, Namcha Barwa, Gurla, Mandhana.